Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to solve these two logarithmic equations. So let's start with the first one. So we have the log of x squared equals the log of x all squared. So what can we do? First of all, using the power rule of logarithms, we can take this exponent to the front of the function. So this is just 2 times the log of x, and this equals the log of x squared. We cannot do the same thing here because the function is to the second power, is not the argument of the function, so we cannot do it here. Now let's move 2 times the log of x to the other side. So we have log of x all squared minus 2 times log of x equals 0. Now we could do a substitution. So for example, t equals log of x, and as you can see this is a quadratic equation, but we can do it without the substitution because it's not that difficult. So let's do it. We can factor out log of x, so log of x that multiplies. Log of x divided by log of x is just log of x, and minus 2 times log of x divided by log of x is just 2, and as you can see this equals 0. Now this product will be 0 when log of x is 0 or when log of x minus 2 is 0, so we can solve those equations separately. So let's start with the first one. Log of x equals 0 when x equals 10 to the 0 power, so when x equals 1, while log of x minus 2 equals 0 when log of x equals 2, so x equals 10 squared, that equals 100. Now we have our two solutions, and those are x equals 1 or x equals 100. And we have solved the first equation. Okay, so now we can solve the second one. So we have the natural log squared of x minus the natural log of x equals 2. Now this right here is a common notation. When we write natural log squared of x, we mean that this is the natural log of x all squared. So it is the function squared, not x squared. So the first thing we could do is to take these two to the first member. So this is just natural log square of x minus the natural log of x minus 2 equals 0. Now we can do a substitution, so let t be equal to the natural log of x. So as you can see here we have t squared, since it is the natural log of x all squared, minus t minus 2 equals 0. Now let's solve these equations for t. So let's apply the quadratic formula. T equals plus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 2, all divided by 2. So this equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 8, all divided by 2. So this equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 9 is 3, all divided by 2, and this equals 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1, or 1 plus 3 is 4 divided by 2 is plus 2. So we know that t equals minus 1 or t equals 2. Now let's solve this equation for x. So we said that t equals the natural log of x. if t equals minus 1, we know that the natural log of x equals minus 1. But when t equals 2, we know that the natural log of x equals 2. Now we have to solve those two equations for x. So in the first one, the natural log of x equals minus 1 when x equals e to the minus 1. So this also equals to 1 over e. And the natural log of x equals 2 when x equals e squared. So now we have our two results, and those are x equals 1 over e or x equals e squared. And we are done. If you enjoyed my video, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and let me know in the comments what would you like to see in the next video. Until next time, bye.